Hey guys, today I'm going to test the 3D printed plane. Actually not the plane itself, but 3D printed plane capabilities. Today we are going to test this guy. This is a Talon 1400. I downloaded it from the flytory.com. I 3D printed that with a 0.5mm wall width. Today we will test this plane in pretty cold weather, so we have like -8 in my region. But overall, even when you're flying in summer and you're flying in high in the clouds, sometimes the temperature can go way below zero. The weather today is not very windy. I'm using Sunny Sky X2216 and I hope it will be pretty enough power to power this plane, and this is some 9x45 prop. So thrust should be plenty. We'll see how it will go. The weight of this plane altogether with the battery about 1.4 kilo. The landing part is just like a grass, so I hope the landing will not be very harsh. But I have a feeling that after the freezing up in the clouds, the plastic may be a bit brittle and it may crash. So we will see how it will go while landing. The inside is pretty standard. It's some SpeedyBee controller mini with crossfire and basically that's it. So as you can see, I put my gloves because it's very cold. So the assembly is pretty simple. Okay, so we have everything connected like it should be. Let's continue with connecting the battery. Let's maybe move to the more comfortable place. I was moving the plane while I was building it, and actually I just touched a little bit the car part with this plane, and as you can see, like, it's already like broken. Yeah, it's kind of like 3D printed planes are cool. They are easy to assemble, they are fast, you can build by yourself, but the main problem is that like they're very tender. Like you can just destroy the plane with just one finger. So you cannot do this with the foamy parts, especially with PPO foam. So yeah, that's basically my first opinion, but we'll see how it will fly. I don't want to have this plane to be very tail heavy, but also don't want to be a nose heavy. So I would say for the first flight it's better to have a plane a bit tail heavy, so when you push the plane and the force of the propeller will move it forward, it will go up instead of go down. Because if you will have the plane with the nose heavy at the first start, like you will just crash it instantly into the ground. So like this is just my suggestion for you. Okay, so actually I just checked, everything seems fine. The satellites are fine. It's almost ready to connect. There are still some errors, but it's just because I turn it on while it's not stable, so I need to put it and not move the plane while it's initializing. Okay, so I am doing the last check before the launching. So just checking if all the ailerons, elevators are doing right. And everything seems okay, because actually right now, right before launching, I decided to double check that, and it turned out that V-tail servos was reversed. So if I would launch this plane, it will go just straight down and it will crash eventually. So yeah, just check the plane every time before you're launching, especially if this is the first flight. Okie dokie, so let's do the launch. So first let's test the propeller. Okay, so it has some power. Okay, so plane is flying, that's good. I put it into the return to home and it's actually loitering about the home point. So now it will be the most tricky part to land this plane. Have a small fear that like it will crash or like there will be something wrong during landing, but we'll see. Like we have wind that way, so I should probably like land it from the sun, so we'll see. But I'm pretty surprised the plane is flying and it's flying pretty good. Like it's having some hard time to stabilize itself, probably because it's heavy and the ailerons, elevators are working like hard to stabilize it, but overall like it's flying. Okay, so I have a good and bad news. So I think the test of this plane is go successful, but the bad news that the plane is crashed. Why it's crashed? Because it's stalled actually. So I a bit overestimated the possibility, yeah, and the ability of the flight controller to stabilize the plane, and it turned out that it can't. Like I never had stalling in the foam plane. I never had this issue in the wings, and especially in the wings, yep. And in this plane, because it's pretty heavy, because the plane is heavy, it's trying hard to maintain the altitude, and it just stalled. So I will show you the results, I will show you how it go, but I'm pretty sure that like it's already like destroyed. Yeah, like this plastic, it didn't go through probably. Yeah, like one crash and you're done. So I crashed a lot of like foamy planes, and like in most cases you can just glue them together and fly again. We'll see how it'll go with this plane. So I already see that like it's looking bad. Oh, like this was the main impact, like it's crashed, and this is the part of the plane. Oh, I need to turn off the battery. So here is how it looks like right now. So there is a wings, like wings go through actually kind of. Guys, come on, like a bit of glue and like you should be fine. The nose just smashed through into the ground. This is the top part, and like everything else just destroyed. So yeah, this plane didn't go through. Like I would like to show you like what I said at the beginning. So here is just a plastic, you just push a little bit harder and you have a hole, just a bit harder, and like you can just like you can do like that and that's it. So yeah, this is how durable this plastic it is. Like, and this is like the top one. Yeah, this is like ESA. I printed it with the 0.5mm wall. It's much heavier than foamy planes, and also it's like more brittle. Like you can just destroy this plane with just a tender hit on the ground and it's done. Like foamy plane will probably just be deformated, yep, and I would probably like fix it, but this plane, no, I don't think so. Okay, so I need to clean it, yeah, because I don't want to leave plastic here. Let me clean all this stuff and I will continue my discussion. Okay, so actually I actually go into my car right now. So this is the plane, this is actually what left from my plane. Yeah, like it's I was expecting that I will land it at least. At least it will crash during the landing, but like no, it just stalled. Like really, like I never experienced that with foamy planes. Foamy planes is lighter and like they are not tend to stall so much than the more heavier planes. Yeah, I'm not the pilot. Yeah, I just an amateur playing with RC planes, and like I even like understand what real pilots experiencing, what is stalling and how to handle that. So yeah, you just like, yeah, it was pure my fault. I should just keep higher speed during the landing, but we have what we have like fully crashed plane. It's not repairable, and I would go back to my foamy planes, to my EPO planes, and yeah, so it was a good experience. Yeah, but like I spent a lot of time printing that. Like I spent almost, I don't know, like a week, yeah, something like that, printing that. Spent about one spool of the filament, about 1 kilo, with tests and fails and some test parts. But overall, I like the result. I like that I try it, and at least what I can share with you. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Hope you will find something interesting for you. As we will see, 3D printed planes, they are cool, they are fun, they are kind of repairable, but like not very durable. So see you.